If you've ever wanted to cut out part of an image in Canva, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a fast and simple way to remove the background and then fine-tune the image so you can keep only the part you want. This is perfect for creating clean thumbnails, product mockups, social media graphics, and polished designs without needing complicated software. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Canva tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, go to Canva and open your design. You can start with an existing project or create a new one depending on what you're working on. Once your design is open, click on the image you want to edit. Make sure the image is selected so Canva knows which element you want to work on. This is an important first step because if the image isn't selected, the editing options won't appear. After selecting the image, look for the Edit Photo button. Click that and Canva will open up the image editing tools. In this panel, you'll see several options depending on your account and the type of image you uploaded. What you want to use here is the Background Remover tool. Click Background Remover and Canva will automatically start removing the background from your image. This tool is especially useful because it helps you isolate the main subject quickly. For example, if you're trying to cut out a person, a product, or an object from a photo, Canva will do most of the work for you. In just a few seconds, the background should disappear, leaving only the visible subject behind. Now, if the automatic result is not perfect, don't worry. That's where the manual adjustment tools come in. Click Erase or Restore to fine-tune the cutout. Use Erase if there are still parts of the background that you want to remove. Use Restore if Canva removes something you actually want to keep. This is really helpful for cleaning up edges, fixing mistakes, and making the cutout look more natural. Take your time here, because the manual adjustment stage is what makes the final result look professional. Zoom in if you need to and carefully refine the edges around the subject. The goal is to cut out only the part of the image you want while keeping the important details intact. Whether you're editing hair, clothing, product edges, or small objects, these tools give you more control. Once you're happy with how the image looks, click Done to apply the changes. Canva will save the cutout inside your design and now you can move it, resize it, place it on a different background or combine it with other elements. That's what makes this technique so useful for all kinds of content creation. You can also use this method to create transparent images for logos, overlays, presentation slides, and custom graphics. If you want a cleaner design, cutting out part of an image can make a huge difference. Instead of keeping the full photo, you can isolate exactly what you need and build a more polished layout around it. So to quickly recap, open your design, select the image, click Edit Photo, choose Background Remover, use Erase or Restore to adjust the cutout, and then click Done. That's the full process for cutting out part of an image in Canva. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what Canva feature you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.